This is Gaming Window video. Today we're playing Russian car drive. So let's play. We're gonna do some parking right now. So let's play. WSD is to move. Stop. Wait, start. Sorry, you failed. Try again. You have to own it. Okay. Stop! Cool, you did it. You will have the next stage. I hope you're ready. Oh, I came first. Okay, close. Rally. What's a rally? It's raining. Okay. Whoa. I'm coupling. I'm stuck in water. You guys are back. I had to restart the whole thing. Let's do a race. Because the rally was hard. I was stuck in that water for about 20 minutes. So I hope you appreciate it. Because I spent 20 minutes resetting this whole thing. So yeah. Let's race, I guess. Racing this guy. Go. Bashing into people. I'm losing. I'm cheating. I'm gonna cheat. I don't care. I'm gonna cheat. Because I want to. I got it. I can do this. Guys, this is kind of cool. Driving. I'm so far away. I'm just trying to skip. I'm in the middle of a race. Guys! Oh, we're so close to this guy. Can we get past him? Can we? I don't know if we can. Guys, somebody's stuck. Nika is stuck. How long is this race? Okay, so that's pretty much it for this Gaming with Andre video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next gaming videos. So, bye!